YouTube! Welcome back to another IRL adventure on the channel. Today is the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, everyone! To celebrate, my family and I decided to take a trip to Carowinds. It's a huge amusement park that we haven't visited in years. So I'm really excited to finally be back. But before we jump into all of the rides and chaos, we need to fuel up because we've got a long day ahead of us. We stopped by a Vietnamese restaurant near the park, and even though it had only been open for around 30 minutes, the place was already packed with families. And you already know what that means. That's usually a good sign for some delicious food. They had a ton of options on the menu, but there was only one thing on my mind. Bún bò Huế. If you've never had it before, it's a spicy pork and beef noodle soup, and I'm telling you, this dish is amazing. The rich broth, the flavor, the spice level, everything about it is perfect. I'm not even joking when I say I could eat this every single day for the rest of my life and be completely happy. The food actually came out really fast. My dad ordered the house special broken rice plate, and my sister got the beef fried rice. Now, if you know me, you know I like my noodle soup spicy, so I added not 1, not 2, but 3 spoons of chili oil. Wow, the food was so good. Even though it came out quickly, everything was still hot, fresh, and packed with flavor. Easy 10 out of 10 for me, definitely coming back here again. Now, before we finally head to Carowinds, we made one more stop at a Chinese barbecue place. And I know what you're thinking. Didn't y'all just eat?
But what the hell, boy?
I promise guys, this wasn't for right now. This was strictly a future investment, aka food for later when we get home. Fast forward 30 minutes later, and we finally made it, guys. Seeing all the rides in the distance instantly brought back memories. And at that moment, I made it my mission to get on every single ride in the park. But before any of that, can we talk about the parking prices for a second? Why is VIP parking $49? And then, general parking, $39. Personally, I feel like parking should already be included with the admission ticket. But hey, I guess they gotta squeeze out the extra dollars somehow. We're finally here! Amusement park time! Let's freaking go! LFG! I'll ride on every single ride. It's gonna be a fun time. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing time on the holiday. Happy July 4th, baby. Oh yeah, Carowinds time, boys. Oh, look at that. I will be riding that. Check that out. Meow. How high is that, chat? It's been so long since I visited here. I wonder if there's anything different or changed. First ride of the day.
Do we want the air on or off? On! Bruh.
Alright, our first roller coaster challenge of the day, and we're starting things off with the Flying Cobra. I honestly thought this was gonna be a nice little warm-up ride, you know, something simple to ease us into the day, but yeah, I was very wrong. This thing throws you into a 360-degree loop, sends you through a Cobra roll at around 50 miles per hour, and just when you think it's over, surprise, it sends you through the whole thing backwards. Not gonna lie, the moment I got strapped in, I started questioning every life decision that led me to this seat. But after the initial panic wore off, it was actually a lot of fun. Definitely a solid ride, and I'll absolutely do it again. My final rating for the Flying Cobra, guys, 8.5 out of 10. Now moving on to the Vortex. And let me just say something real quick. Who designed this ride and woke up thinking, yeah, people are gonna love standing for a roller coaster? For this ride, you're standing the entire time. And let me tell you, this was easily the most uncomfortable ride of the day. And it wasn't even just the ride itself. Getting off took forever. You're basically stuck standing there in the blazing hot sun in an awkward position while slowly being cooked alive. I wasn't on a roller coaster anymore. I was being marinated. Absolutely not. 0 out of 10. Never again. Now it's finally time for one of the most iconic rides in the park. The Thunder Striker. This beast throws you through a massive drop and reaches the speed of up to 80 miles per hour, and let me tell you, this ride did not disappoint. The wait was absolutely worth it. Somehow, it was just as fun as I remembered, maybe even better. This ride had the perfect balance of speed, drops, and pure adrenaline. Easy 9.5 out of 10 from me. Highly recommend. But now, it's time for the final boss. North America's tallest, fastest, and longest giga coaster, Fury 325. Just hearing that name already sounds intimidating, guys. They slowly pull you all the way up to a terrifying 325 feet in the air, and while you're climbing, you have plenty of time to think about your choices in life. Then suddenly, boom! An insane 81-degree drop, high-speed turns, S-curves, and speed reaches up to 95 miles per hour. This ride had the longest line in the entire park, and after riding it, I completely understand why. I genuinely felt like I was about to fly off my seat. My soul almost left my body, caught up later, and re-entered after the ride ended. The speed, the drops, the airtime, everything was insane. If you're ever coming to Carowinds, this ride is mandatory. Best ride in the park, easily 10 out of 10, would lose my soul again. And just like that, guys, we finished challenging the craziest, scariest, most insane ride there is here at Carowinds, the Fury 325. And I'm telling you, it was amazing. I had a fun ride. That was the best ride yet. SS tier on my tier list, guys. Now my family and I will be waiting for the fireworks later. So it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. See you guys then. And to wrap up an amazing day, we're ending things off with a fireworks show. Happy birthday, America! I am incredibly grateful to be a part of this amazing country, and even more grateful for every single one of you that continues to support me and my channel. Thank you all for coming along on today's adventure. And until next time, guys, let's continue striving to become better every single day. Peace!